Toyota just did something most other automakers don't. They actually listened to customers and solved every complaint about the Crown Signia. If you're tired of automakers ignoring feedback and forcing you to wait years for improvements, Toyota's response with Crown Signia is exactly what you've been demanding. Toyota transformed this crossover into something truly special. Mainstream badge, premium design. Toyota positioned the Crown Signia to compete directly against premium European crossovers without carrying a luxury price tag. This design philosophy is visible from every angle. The front fascia features that distinctive hammerhead, shark-inspired grille, creating an aggressive presence that announces this isn't another generic crossover. Ultra-slim LED headlights stretch across the vehicle's entire width. These lighting elements deliver a high-tech appearance typically reserved for vehicles costing significantly more. Profile proportions tell an interesting story. This crossover sits 60.6 inches tall with generous ground clearance beneath. The elevated stance provides that confident driving position buyers expect from modern crossovers, yet the flowing roofline maintains elegance throughout. Toyota's designers avoided the boxy appearance dominating today's SUV market. The result feels sophisticated rather than utilitarian. Those 21-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels aren't just aesthetic choices. They fill the wheel arches perfectly while maintaining visual balance with the vehicle's elevated stance. A subtle character line runs from front to rear. This design element creates a sense of motion even when the Crown Signia is parked. Rear design continues the premium theme. Full-width LED taillights create a modern signature instantly recognizable after dark. The clean rear bumper emphasizes width and stability. Even dual exhaust outlets are perfectly integrated into the overall design. Toyota's attention to detail shows in every panel gap and body line. This level of execution rivals anything from Audi or BMW, yet the Crown Signia wears a mainstream badge. But premium styling means nothing without the powertrain to back it up, which is where Toyota's engineers delivered something truly impressive. Power and efficiency go together. Few things are more frustrating than watching gas prices climb while you're locked into a vehicle that drinks fuel. You calculate the cost every time you pass a gas station. That anxiety disappears with the Crown Signia's hybrid system. Toyota's hybrid powertrain combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, operating on the Atkinson cycle with 2 electric motors. Combined output reaches 243 horsepower, adequate for a crossover in this size category. EPA estimates show 41 miles per gallon city, 38 miles per gallon highway, and 40 miles per gallon combined. These aren't just numbers on a window sticker. They translate to hundreds of dollars in fuel savings every year, especially for buyers making daily commutes or frequent road trips. The Crown Signia significantly outperforms most conventionally powered crossovers in this segment. Even competing hybrid models struggle to match these efficiency figures. 0 to 60 takes 7 seconds. That acceleration figure places the Crown Signia comfortably in the middle of its competitive set. The electronic continuously variable transmission delivers power smoothly in most driving situations. Unlike conventional CVTs, this unit avoids the pronounced rubber band effect during acceleration. Response feels adequate when merging onto highways or passing slower traffic. All-wheel drive comes standard on every Crown Signia model. The system uses electronic control to distribute power between the front and rear axles. During normal driving conditions, the system prioritizes front-wheel drive for maximum efficiency. Power redirects quickly when wheel slip is detected. Ride quality leans toward comfort rather than sportiness. The suspension absorbs most road imperfections without feeling overly soft. Steering feels well balanced for this type of vehicle. Toyota tuned the Crown Signia for highway cruising and daily commuting rather than canyon carving. And those highway drives become considerably more enjoyable once you see what Toyota did with the interior. Interior design, premium. The Crown Signia's cabin immediately announces its premium intentions. Soft touch materials cover practically every surface occupants will touch. Tasteful bronze accents provide visual interest without appearing flashy. The raised center console creates a cockpit-like environment. This design approach makes the driver feel cocooned in a more exclusive space. Leather-trimmed seats feature unique perforation patterns and contrast stitching. These seats look like they belong in vehicles costing thousands more. More importantly, they offer exceptional comfort for long drives with the right balance of support and cushioning. Front seats feature both heating and ventilation. The heated steering wheel ensures year-round comfort regardless of climate conditions. Dashboard design showcases Toyota's modern approach. Dual 12.3-inch displays dominate the front view. ECU, a digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, and a touchscreen infotainment system in the center. The interface has been completely redesigned for better usability. Graphics are crisp and touch controls respond quickly. Build quality approaches Lexus territory. Materials feel substantial throughout the cabin. Panel gaps are tight and consistent. Everything operates with that solid, expensive feel that separates premium vehicles from mainstream offerings. Door panels and armrests feature padding in all the right places. Ergonomics feels thoughtful and deliberate. Behind the rear seats, the Crown Signia offers 25.5 cubic feet of space. The sloping rear window and higher load floor limit the height of items you can carry. Folding the rear seats expands capacity to 69.9 cubic feet, but that sleek roofline means bulky furniture won't fit like it would in traditionally shaped SUVs. Toyota prioritized style and driving dynamics over maximum cargo versatility, a trade-off that makes sense for buyers who rarely haul oversized items. But the real surprise is what Toyota packed into that beautifully designed cabin in terms of technology. Features. Toyota loaded the Crown Signia with technology that puts many luxury brands on notice. Navigation comes standard with cloud-based mapping that keeps routing information current without requiring manual updates. Smartphone integration is seamless, as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included on all trim levels. No more fumbling with cables that break or wear out. Toyota's Drive Connect subscription service enables intelligent voice commands using natural language processing. You can request directions, adjust climate control, or find the nearest restaurant just by speaking naturally. The premium JBL audio system packs impressive sound quality through 11 strategically placed speakers. Bass response stays tight, mid-range is clear, high frequencies remain crisp without becoming harsh at higher volumes. Even audiophiles will appreciate the system's ability to reproduce complex music accurately. Charging options are abundant throughout the cabin. A wireless charging pad in the center console accommodates the largest smartphones, while multiple USB-C ports are available for both front and rear passengers. The Crown Signia includes a 120-volt AC power outlet in the rear, allowing passengers to plug in laptops or other devices requiring household power. Over-the-air update capability means your Crown Signia can receive software improvements and new features throughout ownership. Your vehicle will stay current with the latest technological advancements without requiring dealer visits. This technology is impressive, but it's completely pointless if the Crown Signia can't keep you safe on the road. Safety. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard on every Crown Signia model. This represents the brand's most advanced suite of driver assistance technologies, where the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection has been upgraded to better recognize cyclists and motorcyclists, even in low-light conditions. Dynamic radar cruise control works in all speed ranges, from highway cruising down to stop-and-go traffic. The system maintains a preset distance from vehicles ahead while providing smooth acceleration and braking. Lane departure alert with steering assist helps keep the Crown Signia centered in its lane. We've all experienced that moment of panic when distracted driving nearly causes an accident. Maybe you glanced at your phone for just a second, or a child in the back seat needed attention. Those split-second lapses are exactly when Toyota's proactive driving assist becomes invaluable. The system subtly helps with steering, braking, and acceleration to reduce driver workload during routine driving. It's like having a co-pilot watching the road when your attention momentarily shifts. Traffic Jam Assist provides limited hands-free driving capability in heavy congestion at speeds below 25 miles per hour. The panoramic view monitor gives a 360-degree bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings and makes parking in tight spaces substantially easier. Standard automated emergency braking, lane-keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control come on every trim level. No need to pay extra for essential safety features. Now here's where things get really interesting. Toyota managed to pack all this premium content without breaking the bank. Release date and price. The 2027 Toyota Crown Signia is about to arrive at dealerships nationwide later this year. Toyota will keep pricing competitive despite the vehicle's premium positioning. The base XLE trim will start at around $41,000, representing a minimal increase over the 2026 model. The well-equipped limited trim comes in at approximately $46,500. The top-of-the-line Platinum trim, featuring all available technology and luxury amenities, will carry a starting MSRP of around $54,000. These figures represent extraordinary value considering the vehicle's premium positioning and extensive feature content. Similar vehicles from luxury manufacturers would easily require $10,000 to $15,000 more for comparable features and build quality. The Crown Signia essentially delivers a luxury experience without the luxury price premium. The 2027 Toyota Crown Signia proves that automakers can listen and respond when they choose to prioritize customer satisfaction, from the premium design that rivals luxury brands to the efficient hybrid powertrain delivering over 40 miles per gallon combined. This crossover addresses real owner concerns without inflating the price tag. The Lexus quality interior, comprehensive Safety Sense 3.0 technology, and cloud-based features create an ownership experience typically reserved for vehicles costing thousands more. Starting at just $41,000, the Crown Signia delivers premium content at mainstream pricing, making it one of the smartest choices in today's crossover market. Toyota took owner feedback seriously and created something truly special, a premium crossover that doesn't ask you to compromise your budget for quality. Still, many customers can't get used to its unconventional design, and that's perfectly fine. If you're one of them, make sure to check out our video that covers the redesigned 2026 Toyota RAV4, both its strong and weak points. Toyota did some pretty impressive things with this redesign, but also made some quite controversial decisions you definitely need to learn about.